Hello Muddu, are you ready for a new story today? ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಇದ್ದ. He worked very hard every day in the hot sun, digging, planting, carrying water. ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟರು ಅವನು ಪುವರ್ ಆಗಿನೇ ಇದ್ದ. ಒಂದಿನ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿ ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದ. That's when he noticed something nearby. A large snake resting beside an anthill. The farmer became very still. Something in his heart whispered, "This is no ordinary snake." ಅವನು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆದ್ದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ. He brought back a bowl of fresh milk. Carefully, he placed it near the anthill. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೈ ಮುಗ್ದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ದ, "Forgive me for never offering this before." And he quietly walked away. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದ. ಬೌಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಲು ಖಾಲಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಅದರ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಇತ್ತು. The farmer stared in surprise. The next day he brought milk again, and once again a gold coin. Day after day milk was offered, and every morning a gold coin appeared. Slowly the farmer's life changed. ಅವನ ಮನೆ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ. He bought better seeds. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ದ. And he helped people around him. But most importantly, he stayed grateful every single day. ಹೀಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿನ ಅವನು ಬೇರೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So he asked his son, "Please leave the milk for the snake while I am gone." The son did as he was told. He placed the bowl, and the next morning he found the gold coin. But then a thought entered his mind. If one gold coin comes out every day, there must be many more coins inside the anthill. Greed began to grow. ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಒಂದು ಗೋಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೊಡೆದ. The snake was hurt and frightened. It bit the boy, and the boy fell to the ground. When the farmer returned home, he understood everything. He sat outside quietly for a long time. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿನ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಕಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದ. Slowly the snake came out. It looked at the farmer quietly. Then it said, "You and I had something good, but your son destroyed it in one moment. Once trust is broken, it can never fully return." The farmer lowered his head. He already knew. The snake disappeared back into the anthill. ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. What he had already been given had always been enough. And a trust once broken would never come back. Good night, little one.